Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel we'll be learning about artificial intelligence. As the name suggests, it is a simulation of human intelligence, the ability of human to learn, understand and think. Machine learning and deep learning. These are the set of algorithms and methodologies through which we can achieve artificial intelligence. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning and machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. We'll be learning all of these theoretical concepts and algorithms, and then we'll be making various projects using these technologies. Data science. As we say now, data is the new oil, making prediction, extraction of useful information, insight from structured and unstructured data. We'll be dealing with all of them in data science. We'll learn how to visualize this data, interact with it intelligently using various tools. Next up, competitive coding. We'll also be doing some competitive coding questions in Python programming language just to build logic and aptitude. The sole purpose of this channel is to learn, share the knowledge we have, working on some groundbreaking ideas, and to research. These technologies have immense potential in them. Many great things can be achieved. I encourage you to learn these technologies. Thank you and stay tuned.